How to change pickup location in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to change your pickup location once you have added, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. Now you can see I have already added the pickup and destination location of mine. Now to change the pickup location, tap on to edit just right here, select it. And now here you can find the start option right here. So this is the pickup location. Now to change it, simply remove it just like this, and you can simply add a new one just like this. And now you can see your pickup location has been changed. So this is this easy, right? Now do the same process to simply change the pickup location of yourself onto this app. And that's it. This is how you can change pickup location in the Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.